Loving you, name my ritual. Amigo, claro, con odio, con Anita, my baby. I give that one from the front, one from the back, on and on with the go. Amigo, claro, con odio, con Anita, my baby. I give that one from the front, two from the back, on and on with the go. See, I'm one of a kind, and I look at the all of my life from the place where the sun never shines. So I lay on the grind all the time, all the time, got a lot on my mind. I've been writing the songs of my life, many days when I'm on my mind. So today I go tell my life. I be like to lose you, I'm a magic, on me like my.
Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. This is a very exciting indicator settings that you're gonna love, of course. And also this Crash 300 has been the best as it stands right now. It has been the best. But before we go further, I'm going to be showing you the indicators that we are going to be using. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel. Okay, do well to subscribe to my channel, like the video, please like the video. And let me just show you a brief rundown that of Crash. We've been doing massively, no loss over here. Let me just show you how it's been going. No loss over here. This is May 23rd, and I've been on Crash for like a long time now. So you see, we trade very well. We pass profit challenges. This account we started with 3,000 is over 15,000 now. I'm not even lying. So these are our VIPs winning. You see, we share indicators. We share analysis as well. And here comes the Crash 300. I've been following up for over 10 days now. Trust me when I say over 10 days now. And we are been making money from it. We've been making so much money. So make sure you join the Blue Boy team. If you want to join the VIP, of course, we are running a discount. Hit me up now. Hit me up now. We're also running a discount for our mentorship. It's not going to be expensive. So make sure you join us now. So this is how we've been doing. We share analysis, and now I want to show you something very important. Why you should have patience while trading the market. Why you should have patience while trading the market. This is how we started with our Crash 300. Before we started this market, we bought this market already at this point here, where it touched the trough of the trend, and we took our profit at that top before the market started reversing. And of course, we've been on Crash for a very long time, following it up and making good use of everything. Okay, so this is it, telling them to be patient for the break, and the break came, and we entered for a buy. And bro, we've been rocking profits. There are levels to this, and we've been rocking profits. Market actually had to break that region and give us profits, and here it goes, guys. Here it is. I'm going to be showing you the indicator. Of course, I use a different indicator for this, but I'm going to show you another working indicator that works very well. Okay, so now fast forward to this new month now. Okay, we have been, okay, this is me telling them that we are waiting for market to break. Okay, I'm going to show you at the beginning of the video you saw was me telling them that we are expecting the market to crash. And we came here, you see this, we came here, market started forming, came down. Of course, I missed it when it broke and retested that trend line up there. Let me show you. Let me see if I can show you that on the chart. Let's go on the 30 minutes. Ooh, the indicator is going to make it dirty. So there's a retest at this region. I did not see when it broke and retested here and started selling, but I had to wait. Once that broke, I had to wait for it to get to this support. And once it got to this support, I expected it to buy again to a certain level before I go in for a sell. But instead, it decided to break and retest this zone, and I gave it to the VIPs for a sell. Of course, I talked about expecting market to come up to that resistance level first. I'm very sorry the indicator is messing with what the chart actually looks like. Let me show you from here. Of course, I expected market to buy back a bit to the top, but instead I said that it's either we wait for the market to break and retest that zone. Okay, so this was the break of the support. When market broke the support, we had to waited for a retest to the support that turned resistance after the break, and that's when I said let's grab some bites. We started selling at this point after it has broken, retested that zone, and here we are in profits. We have been able to hit our TP1 and we are going for our TP2 right now. We are heading for our TP2. So guys, make sure you join the Blue Boy team. Make sure you join the Blue Boy team. Don't sleep on this. We are giving massive discounts. Okay, we are giving out discounts. Our VIPs now go for $30 against $40, and our mentorship now goes for $200 for general and $350 for private. So make sure you join us, and let me share the indicator settings with you. Here is the Ichimoku, the Tenkan Sen, I can't really pronounce that, excuse me, but 3549 fuel, all time frames. And please, if you're using a white background, the first three should be white. Then you can use different colors for the up and down Kumo. Okay, but if it is black, just follow my settings. When you're done with that, you go and add your relative strength index to indicator window 1. So here it is, period 1. Apply to close. The levels there you can see, so you add those levels: 10, 90, 85, 15 and 50. No descriptions. Use any color. When you're done, you go back. The Chimoku, just repeat the same thing. Okay, just repeat the same thing as we did on the first one. Then the moving average, 10, 0, method simple, apply to close, levels, time frame, and the style. So when you're done, you click on done. If you're using white, don't use this color, use another color, a color that is not white. So when you're done, you click on done, go back to your chart. Now, how does this indicator work? First, this indicator works with the 1 minute time frame. It works on the 1 minute time frame. So now, and the zoom level is 0. The least zoom level is what you're going to use. That's the zoom level you're going to use. Now, how do you, okay, that was a spike. Now, how do you use this indicator? Now, let's say you want to go in for a buy. First and foremost, you have to let this moving average, which is a white line, to get to a level 15 and 10. You have to allow this to get to a level 15 and 10. Now, when it gets into that level, that's when you set in your buy. And now you see that once this red shadow turns blue, is also another indicator. So you enter at this point, which is the 22. If you want to be very sure that it's not going to come back here, because you see here, if you entered here, it came back to this level before buying again. So you have to wait for it to get to this point as it is here. Okay, when it gets to this point, you get in for your buy. And now you can be patient enough to let it run till it gets to this level, which is the level 85 or 90. And once you see the shadow starting to turn red as it turned here, you see here, when you see as it turns red, that's an indication that the spikes are coming back again. So now you look out for the shadows, okay, and you look out for the shadows on the main chart, and you look out for this. You see, it is when it crossed and it turned to red, that's the right time for you to get in for a sell to catch your spikes. That's the right time for you to get into your sell and catch some spikes. So now you see that once market gets to the level 85 and 90, it's a region of you to sell. So this is how this indicator works. If you want to sell, that's what you do. If you want to buy, you know that you have to wait for the market to be at this level. Now check this out. Oh, I'm moving that, I'm very sorry. Oh god, I just shifted that. I don't know where exactly it was. So now you see, once it got to the down part here, the level 15 and 10 went up, came back. It has not yet turned blue fully, but at this point you see that the blue came fully. Let me show you that. Let's just, you see, although it wasn't a very sure one, it didn't just go up at once. It was going down, and it was going bit by bit. So, and now you see that once it got to this level 2, it started coming down at this level. It turned red, the shadow turned red, and this is another entry for spikes. And we have been in this market and we are making profit. That was another spike, and we are expecting more spikes. So right now you've seen that market has dropped down to this level. So now it's just going to be building up bit by bit to get to this level. You can also take your profit at this level 50. Okay, if you are scalping, you just go in, catch some scalps and leave the market. So this is how this indicator works. Make sure you're using the 1 minute time frame, and make sure that you use the least zoom level, So we've seen that this is not yet blue. We are waiting for it to turn fully blue, and when it turns fully blue and gives us a buy, we are going to, then it's good enough to go in and get catch some candlesticks and leave the market. But also we shouldn't forget to do our analysis, showing that this is a huge downtrend. You see that this is a huge downtrend. So market is just starting to buy up again from this level, but going on the lower time frame, you see that we are here to catch spikes, and we have been catching spikes since, and that's why we are in profit. The VIP are in profit. So this is how this indicator works. Make sure you use this color I'm using. And another thing to note is that as far as this white line stays below the shadow, as far as this moving average, which is the white line, stays below the shadow, we are confident of it still selling. But once this white line goes, let me show you this. Like, that's if you are buying, but if you are selling. But if you want to buy, the white line has to be on top. Like now it's selling, it's below. But once it starts buying, you see that it's going to go like under it. It's not going to be by the side, it's going to go on top of it. If you retrace, you're going to see, let's look for a perfect uptrend. Like you see now, it's on top of it, it's no more below it, it's now on top. This white line is now running on top. But when it's a downtrend, you see it behind, like it is here. You see it behind here, and that helps you to get into a good trade and make good profits from it. So guys, if this video has been helpful to you, make sure you watch other videos as well. You might learn 1 or 2 things. Our mentorship program is running very effectively. The month is starting, and we are yet to lose a trade. You see that you've seen all blue, no losing trade, because we have to wait for this thing to give us the right entry before you go into it. And here is let me show you testimonies, and this is a client that we've had class together, and this was a briefing. Okay, this is what I said. We had to wait, broke the support. So what to do is to wait for that support to turn to resistance, to retest, then we go in, and this is it. Okay, this is it. It retested and we went in. So he has been very glad about what's been going on in the class, and of course he's now doing very well in like 2 months or less than 2 months of training. And guys, don't miss this, so that you can stay at the comfort of your home and make money yourself. So guys, I'm going to leave you to try this on your demo account before you use it on your live to make good money out of it. So guys, I'm going to see you guys on the next video, because I'm going to be showing how to use this crash too on the Boom Pay. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this on the Boom Pay. Of course, I'm using the Crash 300 because I have followed it up for a very long time now, of course. So guys, don't miss out on it. Make sure you you share this video to your friends, and also check the description of this video to find the link to our Telegram channel in case you want to join. So thanks for doing this with me. See you guys.